Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
So I'm going to show you how to make a heart template, and I've taken a piece of paper and I've just folded it in half. The reason I folded it in half is because I want two objects to work with. And then I'm going to take, I've got this cap to a bottle here, and I am just going to take something and trace around that. Probably if I was doing this off camera I would use just a pencil, but I want the contrast so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so there I have a circle, and I'm just going to take a ruler, line it up against one edge. Let's just go straight up and down here. Line it up like that. And do the same on the other edge. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to take an arbitrary point down here, fairly long here. And I am just going to make a mark there. I'm going to be trimming it off to the size I want in a few moments, but I will just take a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut through both layers. So now I have my shape cut out and I have two pieces, so I am just going to take them and put them together any way I want. You could go as wide as that, or you could kind of slide it around until you see a nice heart shape up here that you like. Okay, and I'm going to say that's good, so I am just going to take a little bit of glue and put some glue on there and stick that down, and then I can cut my heart shape out. So I'm just going to trim along this side. Turn it and trim along this side. I turned it upside down so I can see where I've got a clean edge to go up against. And now I have a little heart shape designed the way I wanted. Here's another one I did, a little bit smaller. So it's just a fun and quick way to get a nice symmetrical heart. So let's try another method. I've got a piece of paper again, and I've folded it in half. I'm going to take my bottle cap and I'm going to place it on my paper. Draw around it. Take my ruler and I'm just going to draw it down to the fold and do the same thing on this edge. Cut it out, and I have a heart that's not so pretty. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this again. This time we're going to put the cap right on the edge of the paper, on the edge of the fold, and I'm going to slide it up there just to go ahead and trace most of the way around there. Pick a straight edge. This is going to be your top V, so I'm going to make it right there, and then I'm going to draw a line that I think is about parallel and go right there. Then we'll cut that one out and see what we get. Okay, that's a more pleasing shape than this, obviously, but so this is a more pleasing shape than this one, but this one I was able to adjust the legs, so I had a little bit more flexibility with how I wanted it. So those are just a couple ideas of how to make a heart. Thank you. Bye-bye.